Ah, no. Does that work? So I am using two different things. I'm using degreaser and rinseless wash, and I'm using the degreaser to get all the nasty gunky stuff off the bottom of this thing. Really pretty airplane, but these engines just create a lot of exhaust and a lot of dirt and filth that grows under here, and it doesn't look pretty. So this degreaser right here really gets onto it and is able to just basically break all that gunk off and get it looking nice and clean again. Basically, I'm spraying this all in this one area, letting it sit there for a little bit. I got this towel that's gonna get basically all of it, so I let it sit there for a second and start to wipe it. I don't know. That's awesome. But yeah, so basically I just did that and cleaned basically all the dirt off. So it's fun. I love it.